Hi friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful Saturday so far, or whichever day you're watching this. I hope it's as good as it can be right now. My name is BaileySarian. I went like this, I don't know. BaileySarian, and today it's going to be fun because I have partnered with IPSY and ESTATE to show you this palette that I got to work on for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Let me show it to you. Ooh, Venice Fling. Look at, I know it's so random for me to just like drop this on you, right? But let me tell you the whole story. That's why I'm sitting down right now. I'm going to tell you the whole story of how this came to be. And I'm also going to show you a pretty look. Let's create something fun. I'll start with my eyes first. How about that? So we could just get to the palette. So I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape for eyeshadow primer. I already have my brows on. I've been using powder for my brows lately. I don't know if I like it or not. I don't know. I feel a little angry. See that brow? That's an angry brow. Okay, so this eyeshadow palette, let me tell you. Some of you may remember or know that I worked for IPSY for a couple of years, for 3 years. And while I was there, that's how I got introduced to ESTATE Cosmetics. I really liked their eyeshadows. Creamy, they're easy to use, they're high pigment, they're vegan, cruelty-free. They just all around are great eyeshadows. Now, about a year ago, it's been like a year exactly, I was asked like, do you want to make a palette for Glam Bag Plus with IPSY? And I was like, okay, let's do it. And it's funny because at that time, this was a year ago, I was in a completely different place. Obviously now my YouTube and my murder mystery makeup has completely exploded. My life has done a complete 180. I'm in a completely different place than I was 1 year ago. So I know when I posted this on my Instagram, I've seen a lot of people kind of say, well, you know, I'm kind of disappointed that you didn't name anything after your murder mystery makeup. I understand. But again, a year ago, I was in a completely different place and I had no idea that my murder mystery makeup was going to turn into what it is now. It's wild. I never imagined. Never imagined. With this palette, let me tell you my thought process. Is that cool? Okay. So here's my thought process. Now this was going to go into the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now with the IPSY Glam Bag, I had to take into consideration the IPSY subscriber base. Like who are they? I can't just throw this like dark, scary eyeshadow palette at them because realistically, probably won't like it. You know, I would like it, but you know, maybe they won't. So I was trying to think of something maybe that a little bit of everybody might like. I thought of, it's kind of romantic. Fernando and I, every year for my birthday, he would go down to Venice Beach in California and he would spray paint my name somewhere for my birthday. And I love it. I look forward to it. It's so sweet. It's special. I just love that. Whenever we go, it's just like, there's always an incredible sunset over there. Oh, it's just stunning. The purples, the pinks, the golds, all of it is beautiful. And I was like, I want that in a palette. And that's what I tried to do. So that's what this is. It reminds me of when Fernando and I would sit at the beach and look at the sunset. Come on, that's romantic. So you get 9 shadows. 4 of them are matte, 5 of them are a shimmer. So these are the first 4 shades. Soul is the gold one. Soul is a yellow gold shimmer. Bonfire is a coral. That's Bonfire right there, is a coral shade. Rose Tattoo is like a matte papaya. And then Tan Lines is a warm brown. And then right here we have Ocean Avenue, which is a rose gold shimmer. Over here we have Toasty, which is a brown terracotta. Beautiful purple is Roller Skates. Puppy Love is this one right here. It's a red rust shimmer. I'm sorry, right here. Come on, Bailey. And then right here we have Venice Fling, which is like a cool dark brown with a silver foil. These shimmers, I would say use them wet because when you use them wet, you get up just an intense, beautiful pigment. You don't have to, but it's just a suggestion. It's really up to you and what kind of look you're trying to create. The pans are huge. They're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're easy to blend. You also get this huge mirror as well. Let's do Toasty with like a blending brush. I'm placing this right across my crease. Yes, so if you're an IPSY Glam Bag Plus subscriber, this will be in your August IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Oh, she's toasty. Now I want to do this one. It's called Puppy Love. I like this one a lot. So I'm going to spray my brush with my Urban Decay setting spray. And then I'm just going to dip it right into Puppy Love. Just pressing it all over my lid, all the way up to the crease. Then I'm just going to take my blending brush again and just go right over the edge. Next, I'm going to do Ocean Avenue and place this right in my corner of my eye. Yes, so when I was first approached to do this, I was like, ooh, I don't know, because where am I going to be in a year? And it's funny how our intuition is kind of low-key always right, you know, because I knew back then, I was like, I don't know where I'm going to be. I'm grateful for the opportunity to even do this in the first place. Or should I do gold in my tear duct? Well, I don't want to look like a hamburger. How does that look like a hamburger? I was thinking red and yellow is what they always use in like fast food stuff. That's where my brain went, not hamburger. I'll do Ocean Avenue. That was funny. Thanks for the laughs, Bailey. Wow. I'm going to take a little bit of Venice Fling and just kind of wiggle it in between my lashes just to give some schmokiness. Schmoke on a pancake. So now I take a makeup remover wipe and I'm just going to clean up under my eyes and clean up right there. Boom. It's so satisfying. I love doing this. Okay, so now I'm going to do the rest of my face. Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I like this for foundation. Little dabs right here. I have not been taking care of my skin during this quarantine. Wow. The other day I fell asleep with my makeup on and I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing? I need to get it together. But I think we all need to remind ourselves to just not be so hard on ourselves right now. It's just such a weird, this is so weird. I don't know, we just need to forgive ourselves. Like, we're way too hard on ourselves. I know I am. It's like, so what? You haven't been taking care of your skin. There's like bigger issues going on, you know? But also it's like, we need to remember still to do the things that we love doing at home. Lately, my skin has been dry, ridiculously thirsty. It's funny that I don't use the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer for actual concealer. Let me try it. Never thought to. I've always used it as foundation. Because I was going to say, normally I use like the Tarte Shape Tape or the Jouer. Jouer I ran out of, and I've been meaning to pick up a new one, but it's just not a priority. It's like, whatever, I'll get to it eventually. But the Tarte one, my face, oh yeah, I just been way too dry and it looks horrendous on me when I'm dry. I just like the Too Faced concealer for foundation. It doesn't give me any problems. If I'm super dry, it looks great. If I'm super oily, it looks great. Like, it's just a win-win for me. So it's like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Oh, it's actually a really nice concealer. How long have I been using it as a foundation and I never thought to try it for an actual concealer? Lord, help me. Where's my ring? I've been seeing a lot of questions asking if Fernando and I are married. We're not married. We've been engaged for quite some time now. I'll let you know when we decide to get married. You're all invited. Sure, why not? But I don't know when that will be because I'm in no rush. I've mentioned this before. No rush. I'm going to take my sweet time. So now I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. Set my under eyes. You know what? I get asked about this a lot too. It's the Beauty Blender. It's like a powder puff on one end and this side is more of a sponge. I like the shape of it a lot. And I just press and set. The only thing I don't like about this product is that it's like $20-something. I'm whispering because I'm too ashamed to admit that's how much I paid for a powder puff. You can buy a powder puff and just probably cut it. I don't know. Maybe they even make triangle powder puffs. I've never really looked, but I should. But I know powder puffs are not expensive at all. So I don't know if I can get behind this, even though I use it all the time because I bought it, you know? It's like, so let's go back to the palette. So I wanted to go with a more, I guess I should talk more about the palette, right? I want to go with more of like a beachy vibe. Oh, I hate that I just said beachy vibe. I love the large mirror you get, the large pan product. Here's the back of it as well if you're curious to see what's going on in the back. So let's do Puppy Love along my lower lash line. So yes, if you are an IPSY Glam Bag Plus subscriber, you'll be getting this in your August Glam Bag Plus, or you can go to ESTATEcosmetics.com and purchase it through them directly. And if you don't want to purchase, that's okay too. I know right now things are just kind of rough out there. So I'm going to take a little bit of Venice Fling and place this right on the outer. Easy peasy. Going to dust off the loose setting powder. The other day I actually used tan lines to contour with. Now I do understand this is a light shade. Like, it's not obviously going to be a universal contour shade. We're not like marketing it as a contour shade, but I tried it the other day and I was like, oh. This shade right here, Bonfire, I'm going to use as a blush. Now the mattes are more sheer, so you do have to layer them to get like a intense color payoff. Just keeping it real. While I was grabbing these lashes, I started crying because I was thinking, like, this year has been insane. Just with everything, right? Everything. And I'm already ruining my makeup, and okay. I never thought that my channel would turn into what it is, and I don't know why I'm crying. I'm PMSing. I've had some incredible opportunities because of this thing I started on my YouTube and because of you guys, and it's just nuts. Yeah, I'm just really thankful. Okay, so what am I gonna do now? Take a breather, Bailey. Take a breather. It's just been crazy, right? And then just where we all are right now in the world, in our country, it's just it's hard to be happy in a way because I don't. It's just like I'm just But I just want to say thank you for everything. Just being here and showing your support and your love towards me. It really means a lot, and I can't say thank you enough. Just crying. Okay, give me a minute to regroup and we shall rebuild. We shall rebuild. I apologize for crying. Taking a minute to just really reflect on, don't cry. Come on, don't cry. Think of something that makes you mad. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, okay. So taking a minute to just kind of reflect and like, you know, because we get so caught up in our day-to-day and just life, right? When you take a minute to just reflect, appreciate what you do have right here, right now, it's just can be really overwhelming. It's like, oh yeah, all the stress and everything doesn't matter. Once I start crying, I also can't stop. So it's like I need to learn how to do that right now. Oh, nice. So your tears work really well as an eyeshadow base for these metallic shades. It's good to know. Oh, okay, that's better. Oh, that was easy. It just stuck right to my tears. Okay, I rebuilt. Honestly, my tears kind of gave like a nice glow. So let's do some mascara. I'm going to put on some mascara. I've been really into this Urban Decay one. It's called Lash Freak. I used it in last Saturday's upload. But boy, it's been real good to me. It's been real good. Life, it'll get ya sometimes. This is Kiss Lash number 03. It's just like a very natural lash. I wore this lip the other day and I was really into it. So I feel like, let's do it again. This is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Conspiracy. And then MAC Myth. I've been using MAC Myth since I was like 18. Still love it. Okay, my friends, this is the finished look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I am so sorry for crying on you, but I can't say thank you enough. Dodge the cry. Dodge the cry. It's coming at me. Okay, it's gone. A big thank you to IPSY and ESTATE Cosmetics for allowing me the opportunity to create this palette for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which will be for the August coming up. It's pretty much August now, is it not? A big thank you to you guys, because without you, I really wouldn't be here. So I hope you know that I really appreciate you. Dodge it. Most of all, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. You make good choices. Please be safe out there. I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye. Okay, I can go cry now.